Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us an ordinary evangelist, sir. You are highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
My names are Eze-Ana, Ugochi Tubero, Norifite. I'm only seen to Ugochi Tubero in our temple, Broka an ancient high priest. Broka is only seen to an restoration evangelical mission, Bronian Basso was an. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
You're welcome once again. Before we proceed with today's questions, is there anything else you wish to say to our viewers?
Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you are joining us, keep following us on our social media platforms. Keep following us on Ezioku satellite television. Scan your free decoder, you will see Ezioku TV. Follow us on our social media platform, the TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Our handle is Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubero. Then keep telling people about our administration.
The first question. In Ordinana, the ancestors are deeply respected. How do you explain to people that honoring ancestors is not the same as worshipping the dead?
Thank you. Yes, I would like to use this opportunity to explain some certain things people that normally confuse people. Ancestors is our relatives that are passed on, Our father, our fathers, our mothers, our grandfathers, our grandparents, they are our ancestors. Yes. However, not all our ancestors are the saints. Not all our ancestors are the saints. Likewise, all our ancestors are worthy ancestors. That is otherwise known as Ndichie. Before mmadụ ọbụla abanye n'otu ndị ichie, ọ ga-abụ worthy ancestor. Ndị ụka kpọrọ the saints. And the ones mmadụ mature to the level of becoming a worthy ancestor, the person will stop to reincarnate. Okay. Reincarnation is born out of repeating class. You are given opportunity to be here on earth. You are not perfect. You have not perfected yourself. Yes, so you will be given another opportunity to come and get things done right. That is why you reincarnate. Reincarnation is out of mercy of Chukwu beheading. Now, we pray to our dead relatives. Praying to our dead relatives is not bad on our own. It's not evil on our own. However, praying to your dead relatives, if the person is not in a place where the person will be able to save you or help you, your prayers is as good as nothing. Because somebody can nagi, mobon nagi, or no good mother. No need to go to a cover. No, as I go over, Nana more. Akajie at that particular time, or will not help you. Yes. Mana obro na nagi. No kwadimma. Then that is where we can intercede. Maka na onu ruru n'okwu. Mana obro na ndị nna anyị ha niile ndị bichara ndụ na mmụọ nọ na position na ha nwere ike intercede for us. So when we are talking about Ndichie, what do you see in Ndichie? We are talking about worthy ancestors. Because the highest point any human spirit can achieve here on earth is perfection. Once you perfect, you become worthy ancestorhood. And it's a decision-making body. You belong to an entity called the sense, Ndichie. Entity, Ndichie. About you all hang about so that they decide what happened. Also, you're going to do no. If you to Oceabona na no one mother, they can see why. Now, earthly governance is prototype of what is happening in the spiritual realm. It was Sibiana na mother, and when down a quite do good or handed this and also need cheer. To according to more. mana nke ụwa bụ na ọgụ nwachi aka gị mere itie ya gaa the process mee ya, mana nke mmụọ bụ na mmụọ ga-eji aka gị confide on you. That's what the ancestors do. However, for the fact that we are not God to judge, we remember all our departed, all our ancestors, now calling upon them to help us. Akpọcha ndị ma ịkpọzi ha onye akpọ onye akpọ ibie, then ndị nọzi na ọnọdụ ịlụwu ọrụ ndị aka ejiro ga-respond, ndị aka jikwa a na-azakwa ụgba. So I will encourage you, each and every one of us, to ịgbọkụ ndị nna anyị ha ndị nwụrụ anwụ ọ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ. Mana onye akpọchie onye respondụrụ nọ amara nọ n'ọrụ. So ọ bụrụ because we are calling upon them, but we are not worshiping them. We are just referencing on them, recognizing them as our parents. Thank you.
Some people say that Ordinana promotes fear because of taboos and sacrifices. Do you think that is true, or is it simply misunderstanding?
Thank you for that question. The truth of the matter, one thing you will conquer once you become an Ordinana adherent is fear. If you have not conquered fear, believe in me, you have just started. Yes. Only Ordinana. I remember when I was in this Christendom, the charismatic and the rest of the Bible Society, I fear village people like tomorrow no day. The same way like you, that's your people, relatives, born again. Ask them to go to village. They will not like to wine and dine with village people. You know why? They are afraid. They are afraid. That is fear. Those their uncle, some of them, even aqua white and aqua black, take on with you, drop in front of their gates or houses in the village. Half a child, they will not come village in the next how many years to come for fear. Mother, the first thing you got conquer fear, because you got to go how things work. Mother, no, bro, just young. Keta, no, Ordinana. And the meeting woman now, word and dodge. A booty here, some year. But what is your Okuge meet Igwe? You don't want to be a member. Enjoy. Magana activate to go the inner beings. The spirit of discernment is there. Your guys are there to minister to you when to eat and not when not to eat. So what I'm telling you that evil spirituality is not evil. Sacrifice is not evil. But from the point of how things work, that those things we are doing, recognizing our ancestors to celebrate them, then offer Ihonuneri for Saraka is never evil. So man, to a novice, Oga Futia, Nana Bogu Ajom, because what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all.
Festivals and rituals are an important part of Ordinana. Beyond the celebration, what deeper meaning do they carry?
Yes, festivals and rituals is when we celebrate maybe New Yam Festival, when we celebrate the spirit of our joke, or if a joke, as case may be, in this year. Here, I just celebrate the gods of the land. Yes, but in higher spiritual explanation, we call them the herbs. The herbs. The herbs are elemental beings. Ndolo habo imeki oshishi plants they grow. Ekuzigomi here basaro the elemental beings, the salamanders, the serts, the gnomes, the water sprite and rest of them. They could here in my previous lecture. So Ogabo guy just celebrating the gods of the land. I'm going to just celebrate in Daniel. Like in the Rome, the sun, the day, the sun day, the day just celebrate the spirit of sun. The moon day is the moon day. The day just celebrate the spirit of the moon. And so on and so on. Even Saturday, the day they celebrate the Saturn god. Even Thursday is the day they celebrate the thunder. and so on and so forth. They could go many years. I think 2018 was here in Agogo. So what I'm saying is that no one just celebrate the same way the Catholics just celebrate. I remember when I was in Catholic, every June 10th, I think, yes, June 10th, I just celebrated the feast of St. Anthony of Padua. Mark I did area to Mobile. They can then known as St. Anthony of Padua Society in the Catholic Church. Etu akese celebrate 8th of September, Kaje celebrated the birth of Virgin Mary according to Catholic doctrine. So here na celebrating festivals has been from the time immemorial. So we in Igbo spirituality recognize that we will get more Chukwu Jaga and we will celebrate all these entities. In Mokono we will get celebrate the outpouring of the Holy Spirit. Okay, more Chukwu Jaga we renew it to the Chukwu correct. So those like in the temple, go to na temple. I will 2 major festivals I celebrate. The first one comes on September. There I celebrate the children of the temple. I celebrate the Iriji. Yes, all like multiple celebration. I celebrate. Then I just celebrate more in the temple. Then I just celebrate more of Ruby, the temple on September. Then I celebrate more on December, precisely December 1st. I bought a law feast for friends of the temple. Yes, Mark I just celebrate that they don't get to go to that garden name. Make my Saraka. So all by just celebrate one night temple too. So going to catch a call to accord one who do the teacher, they celebrate the teacher. Now I need one of just celebrate Yana. They just celebrate the gnomes. More than half Macana. Ni Mecana, the ma, and then they make a rock they grow. And so on and so forth. So many now just celebrate one behind that particular festival. Udo wecha. By the Mokade can wine I work because they what also. By celebrate her. Go see Naima or Lukuhana. I go see I carry Dal.
In Igbo land, different communities have their own deities and ways of practicing Ordinana. Do you think this makes Igbo spirituality weaker or stronger?
Yeah, thank you. The truth of the matter now, Mbana Suno, Manako for Grofu. Obodo Bona Hibelu, altar, where the reason here. And the purpose. And then when Obando have an in place with that entities of powers than do that. About 22 years ago, I was in India. I visited so many places, including northern India. Yes. Nobody about Shimla, so nobody you know to carry because nobody no on under the valley. Yes. I do Moboda wherefore I just come there Makudu Manali, northern India. So honorable on that when Luther for monkey to everywhere. You must see how what comes. Hasina na monkey about the symbol of their gods. The same way to Esimenoka, as in Imoka. Yes. How they will. Imano will one then Nana entered in place, baby, what they benefited from monkey that made them to ne respect monkey. That's what I got what I woman need. A Kayana they working for a reason. So then I check one. Obodo di teacher, well, Obwando had the teacher Hahibel with more than a beha. And the Obodo no Obodo did it to her. Whether me would be Arabia. Keep what that on so. Come on Oboda. Gare Futagasi onye ilo. Kama, ni be adeben so, di Oboda again, make a more in Oboda, or saying. All you can do now so Ibojasi. If you go to the room, you have like Romans. So, Obodo Niger, no so na to us where he be more the beha. More reason. Yes, and what reason well so. And then here you were once I will call well all of the Shiorike. So, no, but over a mother ya, and well, Usoro Beredi teacher. A person an Igbo, or the way to an ample what teacher. They can swear within their mother. Don't want to with the Hanaso, but can hear the Naso, Candidate. Man, I don't matter you do a mother case see me and another naggy. Say to I maybe a can get a more the bed naggy where the Ludo, how we could do it. Either would Maptawasi.
Alright, because of our time, this will be the last question for today's program. Can someone outside Igbo land, for example, a Yoruba, Hausa, or even a Westerner, practice Ordinana Igbo sincerely, or is it strictly reserved for Igbo people?
Yeah, thank you for that question. Nke mbụ na Ikechukwu juru mba niile, and Ikechukwu bụ ofu. Spirituality is one. That is why ị ga-afụ onye nọ na Nigeria ọ na-practice or belong to so many temples all over the world. Yes. Enwere ndị bụ ndị Igbo mana ha bụ an adherent to so many religious sects and groups all over the world ma ya chịkpawa aha. Ịghọtara ya? So ndị a niile belong to so many religious sects. Ihe dị mkpa bụ na ha emegidere chi nke ala be ha. Mmadụ na-enwe dual, etu esi bịa na Nigeria na-enwe dual citizenship. O nwere onye na Nigeria mana ọkwa American citizen. Yes. Etu a ka esi wee nwee dual. O nwere ndị enwe ha na-akpọ bilocation. O nwere ndị nwere gift of bilocation. They can be at two different places at the same time. So all the possible na mmadụ ga-anọ na they connected to anabenna ya, dịkwa connected to mmụọ ala ndị ọzọ. Ihe a depend n'ihe imewu. So ihe na-ekwu bụ na onye bụ onye Igbo, etu a mbụ onye Igbo, I can pray for any other person, human being here on earth, kwubi okwu n'isi ọbịa na mmezu n'ike Chukwu. So etu a ka ọ dị n'okpere niile dị n'elu ụwa. As long as na onye ahụ kwenyere na dịka onye nchụaja and the higher priest that I will intercede on his behalf ọbịa na mmezu. Once o kwenyere na okwukwe ya na ike Chukwu oge pụrụ ime ihe niile, nkwubi okwu n'isi ya ọ ga-adị ile n'ike Chukwu, maka na ọ n'ike Chukwu ka ihe niile na-eme. So onye agbata na onye tribe ọbụla nwere ike ịgosi onye ọbụla. Enwere ndị Igbo bụ ndị akpọrọ ọlụ, mana ndị Yoruba na-abịa na ụlọ ụka ha na-agosikwa ha na-enwetakwa testimonies. So mgbe akọrọ akụkọ gbasara onye eze onye amị ahụ adịrọ wee jee na river Bethsaida wee jee saa ahụ, ọkwa gwọrọ ya mana ọ bụrụ onye Juu. So onye nna achịkọwara gị bụ na onye ọbụla bụ mmadụ na-eku ume nwere ike ịnata ikikere, nata favor site na mmụọ nọ n'obodo ọzọ, sitekwazie na usoro ndị ọzọ si efe ofufe. Ihe dị mkpa bụ na ya nwa na onwe ya ekwenyere wee subject ya onwe ya sị ka ọta dị etu a gọzie ya. Once you are convinced na onye akwụbiere gị okwu na ọ ga-adịrị gị ile, your race or tribe does not count again. Maka na ọ mmụọ na-asụ ude n'ime mmadụ. Ka m gwa gị, ụmụ mmụọ nwere their own language of sound and light. So anyị bụ mmadụ all because of our earthly divisions, languages anyị nwere, ka anyị ji wee na-ekwu okwu, ka anyị wee ike na communicate between our own people. That does not mean na mmụọ Chukwu nọ n'ime anyị abụrụ ofu. Mmụọ Chukwu na-anụ language nọ n'ụwa, maka na language bụ so creation of intellect. Ọ ya pụtara language a na-amụ ya, and the human being will ability to speak 7 languages. So language a na-amụ ya because of the work of intellect. Mana isu ude nke mmụọ bụ ofu all over the world. So ụmụ mmụọ na-anụ ude niile a na-asụ. So whatever ọ bụla ị na-ekwu n'ọnụ as prayer, mmụọ nọ n'ime gị ga na-interpret into form and sound and light. That pass ya to mmụọ. So n'ụwa mmụọ ihe a na-make use of word is sound and the light, forms, because whatever you say will be formed, put in the word of form in the spiritual realm. Mana m ọ dị ka ngaba go tipa ihe gbasara spirituality. So ụfọdụ n'ime ụlọ ahịa ọtasị ya, but ihe na-achịkọwara gị bụ na okwu onye Yoruba kwuru, okwu onye Hausa kwuru, okwu onye Igbo kwuru, the intellect ya zụrụ ya azụ wee gwa ya na ọ bụ onye Yoruba. Ịkpọta onye Igbo kịta ọhụrụ ara nne oto na Yoruba, ịsụgharịa Yoruba from ụbọchị a na-amụ ya, sụgharịa ya, ọ ga-asụ Yoruba, fụọ Yoruba ka onye Yoruba. ịghọtara ya. So ihe ndị ekwu na language anyị na-asụ na culture anyị na-enwe because na amụrụ anyị ebe anyị mụọ ya. Then mana the real call you communicate, the spirit communicate via the power of sound and forms. Achọrọ m ịgawa too deep maka na onwe ndị ka bụ ụtọ na kindergarten level, but ihe na-achị kọwa bụ na issue of language and culture abụrụ a barrier na spiritual radiation na etu ihe si eme na mmụọ and vibration. So a higher priest here nwere ike ikwubi okwu n'isi onye ọbụla bụ mmadụ na-ekwu ime n'ụwa ọbịa na mmezu. Thank you.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries, deep consultation, Alpha, you can as well DM him with that same number. It's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, keep following me, an ancient high priest. We will keep on guiding you step by step so that you will discover the real you and the awakening spiritually, so that you will be able to activate that inner you. He will make an impact and he will move on from point A to point B. Thank you.